Exercise 11. It's an exercise that involves circle geometry. Triangle JKL is inscribed in a circle. Okay, so let's draw a circle to see that in a better view. Let's pick out the inside. So we have a circle, and within it we have a triangle. Let's do it J. So we have JKL. JKL is inscribed in a circle. If arc JK, the arc JK is this arc over here. This is the arc JK. Is congruent to arc KL. So this is the arc KL. And the measure of angle K is 40. So this angle here is 40. What is the measure of angle L? Okay, let's see how this is done. First of all, we know that, or we should know that, when two angles, which are when two inscribed angles correlate to congruent arcs of the same circle, then they are congruent as well, which means that since arcs JK and KL are congruent, then their corresponding inscribed angles, these are angles L and J, this angle here and this angle here, L and J, should be both equal. And since they are equal, let them be equal to X. But then we will use a bigger theorem that always applies in any type of a triangle. That is the one that states that in any triangle, the sum of all the interior angles is always equal to 180. So x plus 40 should be equal to 180, which means that 2x should be equal to 140, which obviously means that x is 70. So this means that both angles L and J measure 70 degrees, and this makes C the right choice for this exercise.